For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the wording of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a catering business is an exciting venture for anyone passionate about food, event planning, and entrepreneurship. With the power of AI, you can streamline every aspect of your operations, from market research and planning to marketing and logistics. Here's a complete step-by-step guide to help you launch a catering business using AI tools. Step 1. Research the market and identify your niche. Before starting, define your target audience and niche. Will you focus on corporate catering, weddings, private parties, or specialized cuisines? Use AI tools to help you identify demand and trends. ChatGPT or Gemini. Ask questions to understand catering trends. Google Trends plus AI insight tools. Spot growing demands in your area. Prompt. ChatGPT. Analyze trends in the catering business in your city. What catering niches are growing fastest and why? Step 2. Develop a business plan with AI. A business plan will help guide your business strategy and may be required for securing funding. Use AI tools like ChatGPT for writing the actual plan. LivePlan, AI-supported for structured business plans with financial projections. Prompt. ChatGPT. Create a full business plan for a catering company in city that specializes in your niche. Include executive summary, market analysis, services offered, marketing plan, financial projections, and startup costs. Step 3. Register your business and handle legal requirements. Every business must be compliant with local health, food safety, and tax laws. AI can't replace lawyers, but it can help summarize requirements. Tools to use. Do not pay. AI legal assistant. ChatGPT for a legal checklist. Prompt. ChatGPT. List all the licenses, permits, and health department regulations I must follow to start a catering business in state/city. Step 4. Estimate startup costs and budget using AI. AI budgeting tools can help you plan initial expenses including kitchen equipment, licenses, marketing, and staffing. Tools to use. ChatGPT or Microsoft Copilot in Excel for creating and managing your startup budget. Prompt. ChatGPT. Give me a detailed startup cost breakdown for a small catering company with minimal staff and equipment. Include estimates for marketing, vehicle, insurance, and supplies. Step 5. Build a brand with AI support. Your brand name, logo, and identity will differentiate you from competitors. Use AI for creativity and design. Tools to use. Loca or Brandmark, AI logo makers. ChatGPT for brand name ideas, slogans, and taglines. Prompt. ChatGPT suggest 10 creative names for a modern catering company focused on gourmet vegan meals. Include slogans for each. Step 6. Design your menu with AI assistance. Create a menu that matches your niche and appeals to your target audience. AI can help you refine recipe ideas, plan portion sizes, and even predict trending dishes. Tools to use. ChefGPT, recipe and meal planning AI. ChatGPT, for menu structuring and descriptions. Prompt. ChatGPT, help me design a catering menu for a wedding with 3-course meals. Include vegetarian, gluten-free, and luxury options. Step 7. Find and manage suppliers efficiently. Managing food suppliers is key. AI can assist in vendor selection and inventory management. Tools to use. Cogram or Zipline for vendor negotiation and communication. QuickBooks AI for managing supplier payments and inventory. Prompt. ChatGPT, give me a checklist to compare and evaluate local food suppliers for a catering business. What qualities should I prioritize? Step 8. Build a website and online presence using AI. A professional website and online booking system are essential. AI tools make it easy to create them without coding. Tools to use. Wix with AI Website Builder. Durable.co, AI-powered website generator. Prompt: ChatGPT, write the homepage content for my catering website targeting corporate events. Keep the tone professional but friendly. Step 9. Create a marketing plan with AI tools. Marketing is critical for customer acquisition. AI can assist with planning campaigns, writing content, and managing social media. Tools to use: ChatGPT for content strategy, Okoya or Piretis.ai for social media post generation, MailChimp with AI for email campaigns. Prompt: ChatGPT, create a 30-day marketing plan for a new catering business. Include online, offline, and social media strategies. Step 10. Use AI to manage social media and ads. Schedule, automate, and optimize social media with AI to save time. Tools to use: Buffer or Later, AI tools for scheduling. Meta Ads Manager with Advantage Plus, AI-based. Prompt: ChatGPT, generate 5 Instagram captions for a catering company's photo posts showcasing wedding events and dishes. Step 11. Manage bookings and customer interactions with AI. Streamline operations with AI chatbots, CRM, and scheduling tools. Tools to use: Tidio or MiniChat, AI chatbots for your website or Facebook. Calendly, with AI Assist for booking events. Zoho CRM or HubSpot AI, for tracking leads and customers. Prompt: ChatGPT, create a chatbot script that helps users book a catering event, ask for menu preferences, and collect contact details. Step 12. Use AI for financial management. Track your finances, forecast profits, and manage invoices using AI tools. Tools to use: QuickBooks with AI for automated bookkeeping. ChatGPT for financial planning guidance. Prompt: ChatGPT, show me how to calculate the break-even point for a catering business that charges $25 per meal and has fixed monthly costs of $5,000. Step 13. Collect feedback and optimize services using AI. AI tools can help analyze customer feedback and improve service. Tools to use: MonkeyLearn or Typeform Plus AI, analyze surveys. ChatGPT, for summarizing and interpreting reviews. Prompt: ChatGPT, summarize the key themes from these 20 customer reviews. Highlight areas where I can improve my catering services. Conclusion: AI can dramatically streamline and enhance how you launch and operate a catering business. From writing your business plan and managing marketing to optimizing logistics and customer experience, leveraging the right AI tools gives you a competitive edge. Start small, experiment, and grow confidently using the smart assistants of today's AI solutions. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.